Good morning, everyone.
Morning, guys. Good morning, all. So आज का टॉपिक है, मतलब कल हमने 3 पल्स रेक्टिफायर के बारे में देख लिया। अलग अलग लोड को देखा है हमने, मतलब रेजिस्टेंस लोड, इंडक्टिव लोड, आरएल लोड कॉम्बिनेशन, आरएलई कॉम्बिनेशन। आरएल में दिक्कत नहीं होगा क्योंकि द वोल्टेज कैन गो नेगेटिव, ठीक है, सो देयर इज नो रेस्ट्रिक्शन ओवर दैट। लेकिन क्या रेजिस्टेंस आर हुआ तो अल्फा 30 तक एक वेव फॉर्म आएगा, अल्फा 30 के बाद दूसरा वेव फॉर्म आएगा, मतलब अप टू अल्फा 30 and you have a continuous current, and after alpha greater than 30 the current is not continuous. Let us see here. Now we have something called as a 6 pulse converter, 3 phase we call as a full converter. So 3 phase full converter मतलब हमने दो कनेक्शन, सॉफ्टवेयर में दो कनेक्शन बता दिया मैंने। फर्स्ट वाला क्या है, कॉमन कैथोड, कॉमन कैथोड कनेक्शन, एंड दूसरा क्या है, कॉमन एनोड कनेक्शन। कॉमन कैथोड मतलब मैंने बता दिया ऑफ वेव में तो 3 पल्स आ जाएगा। Say for example, I was showing previously also this first one, common cathode. कॉमन कैथोड में, ठीक है, तो ट्रांसफार्मर है, इनपुट सप्लाई देना चाहिए। सो मान लो दिस इज ए बी सी एंड डेल्टा स्टार कनेक्शन। So what I am doing here now, 3 SCRs, 3 SCR which is acting as a switch, इधर एक है एंड दूसरा इधर। So all these 3 are joined together. This is a common cathode connection. कैथोड कॉमन कर दिया मैंने। इसमें कौन सा SCR कंडक्शन में जाएगा, कौन सा SCR कंडक्शन में जाएगा, SCR which is having highest positive voltage. Say for example, इन तीनों में जिसको हमको क्या ABC फेज आ रहा है ना, ABC, इन तीनों में जिसका पॉजिटिव होगा, ये वाला BA के पॉजिटिव, highest positive, that SCR will starts conducting T1, T2, T3, At any instant, only one SCR is conducting. So that's what we have seen here now, common cathode connection. So now I have a common anode connection, means इधर क्या है, इन तीनों में जिसका वोल्टेज हाईएस्ट पॉजिटिव होगा वो वाला SCR चालू हो जाएगा, कंडक्शन में जाएगा। लेकिन कॉमन एनोड कनेक्शन में जिसका वोल्टेज कम होगा, मतलब सबसे नेगेटिव, मतलब मोस्ट नेगेटिव वन, so which means that is a common anode connection. So for example, I'm just showing here now. So which means here now I'm just drawing the only secondary. So now you can see here now, and you can just reverse this. So see this one, 3 SCR, same maybe T4, numbers are changed, T5, T6. So इन तीनों में कौन सा SCR कंडक्शन में जाएगा? So whichever is having VA के नेगेटिव, so मतलब कैथोड इधर कनेक्ट कर दिया ना, इस तरफ कैथोड है, so इस जिसका मैक्सिमम नेगेटिव होगा इन तीनों में, that SCR will conduct. So the current will be, for example, ये वाला नेगेटिव है, ज्यादा नेगेटिव है, तो that SCR is kind of conducting, and otherwise T5 and T6. Okay, so common anode, common cathode connections, ये दोनों कंबाइन करके सिंगल सर्किट में डालना चाहिए. Means I'm saying here now, SCR can conduct VAK positive if this kind of connection is used, which is called common cathode. SCR can conduct with more negativeness, so this kind of connection, which is called common anode connection. इन दोनों combine करके एक और circuit बना लिया हमने in the three-phase field converter, which is called a bridge rectifier. So let us see here now, that one very important, these things. So if you just read the textbook, you won't understand. Please try to get it from here. ये दोनों कंबाइन कर लो, मतलब एक SCR पॉजिटिव वाला चालू हो जाएगा, दूसरा SCR नेगेटिव वाला, दोनों कंबाइन करके बीच में लोड होगा, right? How this is being conducted, let us see here. This is 6 pulse, meaning within 360 degree we'll get a kind of 6 pulse one. Okay, so let us see here now how the connection. So three SCRs, common cathode, 3 SCRs, common anode वाला. So bridge construction डालना पड़ेगा. Let me see that. This is, I'm directly taking RL ELO, and all these are SCRs. Let us see here now what is happening. I'm giving the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 here. This one is 5, 6. And to the 3-phase supply now. One, this is 3-phase supply A, B, C. So meaning मैंने बता लिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी सी सोर्स वेव फॉर्म ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ मैंने. आई वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ द सोर्स वेव फॉर्म नाउ, the three phase supply waveform, like what we are doing every time. Let me draw that first. This time I have to be careful even in the negative portion also, क्योंकि negative SCRs भी है इधर. ये वाला common cathode का है, ये तीनों common cathode, ये वाला है ना common anode. ये का Dr. 120. BB this is, and BC 240. So let me mark here now A, B, C. Crossing points. What are the crossing points here now? Triggering A, this is A, right? A is connected to 1 and 4. You can see here now, A phase 1 and 4. So you can see this point. What is the angle here now? This is 30. We know that. This one is 60. Of course, A are 90. Okay. This is 90 in fact. And this one is 120. A crossing point 150. This is 180. A wala crossing 210, and A wala 2 plus 30, 240. This is 270. Okay, let us see it. This is enough for me. Every crossing 30, 30. What I am saying here now, 1, 3, 5 are positive group. T1, T3, T5 are positive group. Matlab, whichever is having positive, that SCR will conduct. T2, 4, T6. In each chain, these are negative group. What do you mean by this? Positive group wala, matlab, ये voltage है ना, this voltage ऊपर 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends upon this voltage. I'll show you here now. Look at here now. This is the voltage 1 up to 30 degree. What is the SCR will conduct from positive? Let me show here now. Group. Which one is kind of conducting here now? 30 degree. Both I have read positive group and negative group I know. So I'm showing here now. 30 up to 30. And this is 90. You're showing 90 here now. Only positive 30. Who is conducting here now? This is 90. कौन सा वाला conduction में जा रही है? ये कौन है इधर? Who is connected to this? Positive group में कौन connect? ऊपर वाला. For ये, this is कौन सा phase? C phase. C phase में positive कौन conduction में जा रहे? Who is the SCR? T5. Next 32 where? Next 120, 150 तक. इधर है ना 150. This is 150. हु इज कंडक्टिंग, कल हमने डिस्कस कर दिया कौन सा कंडक्शन में जाएगा, पॉजिटिव 1 2 3 में ये फेज कनेक्टेड, ये वाला ए फेज है ना, हाईएस्ट पॉजिटिव कंपेयर टू दिस रिमेनिंग टू, इन दोनों से ये वाला पॉजिटिव है, सो दिस वन T1. आर यू गेटिंग गाइस, प्लीज आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग, कल हमने जो भी ड्रॉ कर दिया वो रिपीटेशन है पॉजिटिव ग्रुप के लिए, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? ओके कौन है सोहेल, कौन इज योर फैकल्टी गाइस, आंचल मस्कर, सोहेल कौन, डू यू नो हु इज सोहेल?
वो गेट के सर कोचिंग क्लास के टीचर हैं सर।
गेट के तरफ क्या,
गेट की तरफ से ही हैं सर वो।
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है, तो फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज, फ्रॉम योर कॉलेज,
यस सर।
ओके नो इश्यूज। सो ठीक है नो इश्यूज, तो T1 चालू होगा क्योंकि मैंने बता दिया ये फेज वाल कनेक्शन में ये इज कनेक्टेड टू T1 हियर नाउ, क्योंकि ये फेज पॉजिटिव है T1 कंडक्शन। उसके बाद ये कौन है, बी वाला, कहाँ से 150 टू 270, 150 टू 270 कौन है, बी में कौन कौन सा वाला SCR है, बी फेज में T3 है, ये पॉजिटिव ग्रुप है ना, ऊपर वाला पॉजिटिव ग्रुप है, 270 plus 180, so this is here now 390, ये वाला C phase है T5, then it repeats, pattern repeats, pattern is going on, so इधर हो गया, then somewhere here, okay now negative group में देखो, let me show here now what we have done, ये वाला maximum है, उसका corresponding आया, उसके बाद ये maximum है, ये voltage आएगा हमको, कल दिखाया corresponding SCR, उसके बाद ये आएगा पॉजिटिव ग्रुप में ना, दिस कंडक्ट्स corresponding SCR, then this SCR will conduct now, and repetition में same thing, and this guy will keep on conducting, no issues. Negative group, this is for positive group, so this is T5 के बाद T1 again repeats here, now it's go, this is positive group. Negative group में कौन है, negative group मतलब this is the one, who is this guy, which highest negative 1 to at any instant आप देख लिया तो 3 वेव फॉर्म्स होगा, 3 वोल्टेज होगा, मान लो 30 पे देखो, ग्रीन ब्लू रेड, एनी वैल्यू 0 पे देखो, ग्रीन ब्लू रेड, ठीक है, एंड एनी पॉइंट से 140 देखो, ग्रीन, ऑल 3 फेजेस विल बी देयर, लेकिन हमको क्या चाहिए, कौन पॉजिटिव में जाएगा, ज्यादा पॉजिटिव, कौन ज्यादा नेगेटिव में जाएगा, दैट इज द ओनली सिनेरियो, हु इज दैट वन गोइंग मोर नेगेटिव एंड मोर पॉजिटिव। सो मोर नेगेटिव कहाँ तक किया, 90 तक, किधर देखा, 90 तक मोर नेगेटिव है, एक ही सीन है, नोबडी एल्स, रिमाइनिंग ऑल पॉजिटिव केसेस, इसमें 90 तक, दिस इज द 90 पॉइंट, कौन सा फेज है मोर नेगेटिव 90 तक, बी फेज है, ये बी फेज में कौन कंडक्शन में, कौन सा SCR कंडक्शन में है इधर, T6, do you agree with me, do you agree this point, 90 तक T6 में जाएगा, क्योंकि ये वाला मोर नेगेटिव, कॉमन, मैंने बता दिया हियर नाउ, कॉमन एनोड कनेक्शन, कॉमन एनोड, दिस इज एनोड बैक साइड, कॉमन एनोड कनेक्शन में मोर नेगेटिव होना चाहिए कंडक्शन के लिए। समझ गया बात? T6 में जाएगा। अभी देखो 90 के बाद कौन नेगेटिव में जा रहे? ये वाला, दिस गाय। हु इज दिस गाय? कौन सा यार, कौन सा फेज है वाला? एंड कौन सा SCR कनेक्शन में? दिस इज सी फेज है ना, दिस इज। एंड कौन सा SCR कनेक्शन में है? हु इज द SCR? नेगेटिव ग्रुप में चालू होना चाहिए। हु इज द वन? कैन समवन टेल मी who is the SCR? Which SCR is connected to C phase there? Which SCR is connected here now? C phase.
सर T2।
T2 excellent. C phase में कौन सा है? T2. T5 पॉजिटिव ग्रुप में हो गया। C को T5 पॉजिटिव ग्रुप हो गया। अभी नेगेटिव ग्रुप के बारे में बात कर रहे, ठीक है? So it is T2 excellent. Right साहब, correct. So T2 कहाँ तक जाएगा? नेगेटिव ग्रुप में कहाँ तक जाएगा? 92 कहाँ तक? This is C here now. 120, 210 मतलब somewhere here. This is 210. उसके बाद नेगेटिव ग्रुप में कौन सा वाला? Look at here now. Who is this guy? More negative nature. Which phase this is? A phase. And A phase में, this is A phase, right? In A phase, which SCR will conduct? A phase, which SCR? Negative group में कौन सा वाला?
T4।
T4 excellent साहू, that is T4. कहाँ तक जाएगा? ये वाला point क्या है? मैंने बता दिया already. This is 330 somewhere here, right? This is 330 plus 120. Next, who is the guy? Next is kind of this one, more negative nature, 330. So this is B phase. B में more negative कौन है? T6 side, excellent. And this is how it will go, 330 plus 120, so the 450, and this is the negative group. Did you understand what is happening here now? Means what is going to happen here now? Up to 30, what are the combinations? Every time two SCRs will go. Tell me how this will. First, one from positive group, another from negative group. One from positive group, another from negative group here now. So in this case, tell me here now, who are all starting point कौन है? Alpha 0 के लिए. Alpha 0 means T1 के लिए alpha 0. This is what I told you. क्योंकि forward blocking mode में इधर आ रहे. T2 के लिए alpha 0 here now, omega T 90 पे. Anyway, forget about the diode जैसे बात करो तो up to 30 तक. So forget alpha 0 means I'll tell you up to omega to 30. Omega T less than 30. Who is conducting here? Which guy is conducting? Positive group में से conduction के लिए one should be positive, one SCR from positive group, one from SCR. So मेरा बात ध्यान से सुन लेना, ये वाला conduction के लिए इन तीनों में एक SCR काफी है, नीचे वाला SCR में एक होना चाहिए. To make the current continuous, one SCR from the positive group, one SCR from the negative group should conduct. Please mind my words. So between 0 to 30, T5, T6 are conducting. Then sequence 32, look at here now, 32, where is that? 90, omega T 90, 30 to 90, ये वाला 30 इधर 90 है. Who is conducting here now? So which is T6, T1, दोनों में from 90 to, just see here now, one ये दोनों conduction में जाएगा, इसके बाद ये दोनों conduction में जाएगा, इसके बाद ये दोनों conduction है, ये दोनों conduction है, ये दोनों, this one, this two, this two, this two, like this. T5, T6, T6, T1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. So 5, 6, 6, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6. This is the combination, and it's keep on repeating here now. That's easy to remember. Let's say I have drawn this one. Okay, fine here. So T6, T4 and 90 omega T 92, another 60, and 90 to 150. Who is conducting? 1 and 2. So that way sequence may T5, T6, T6, T1, T1, T2, T2, T3, and T3, T4, and so and so. This is how it will conducting continuously. So one SCR from positive group will up, another SCR will come in. There is a common SCR here now, negative group. Here also negative SCR will go. So that way it's conducting. Okay, I want to draw the alpha 0 position. Okay, no issues, alpha 0, which is alpha 0 position. If you want to draw the waveform here now, what will happen? Just draw the waveform here now. Alpha 0. So let me see this. Up to 360 or whatever. How the 6 pulses are going to obtain, let us see. So this is 30, 90, okay, 150, and 210, 270, 330, 390. So okay, 30 you can just ignore, no issues. VA T5 T6 कंडक्शन में गए तो कौन है, उसका वैल्यू क्या हो गया? T5 T6, T5 पॉजिटिव ग्रुप है, 6 नेगेटिव ग्रुप है, तो करंट कैसे जाएगा? See, like this it will go. So one I'll show here now. 5 and 6 के बारे में I'll just show this one. How this is conducting. So between omega t is 0 to 30. That is what alpha 0 position. क्यों कौन कंडक्शन है? 5 and 6 कंडक्शन में है, बाकी 4 SCRs are off. Let me show that to you, please. Very important, please try to understand. SCRs are shown as switches. I'm showing as a switch everything. 6 SCRs, and this is my load, and this is what V0 voltage, and this is A phase, B phase. SCR naming conventions are 1, 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6, A, B, C. अभी कौन कंडक्शन में जा रहे? 30 तक. हमको पता चला 5 and 6 है. समझ गया बात? 5 and 6 है. 5 मतलब कौन सा फेज है? C phase है. So current will go from C phase. How the current anode to cathode? So current has to go this way, anode to cathode, always anode to cathode. So this is connected. That's what it's being shown here. So current will go this way. It will come to the load. and there should be one more SCR in the counter partner. Negative group में एक और SCR होना चाहिए. कौन सा वाला है? T6 है. So this is T6. So current will go here now, this way, and here, this is now. So tell me now, what is the voltage across? This is a voltage going C to load and to B. So what is the voltage here? Counts the voltage, okay? Just tell me. What is the voltage that you see here now? KVL डालो ना. C, nobody else there, only these C and B. Anybody else? What is the voltage? KVL. KVL of V0 will be V. What is this voltage? CB. Do you agree with me? VCB and a line voltage. What is the voltage appearing here now? This voltage KVL डालो. Same voltage, source voltage जो भी है. So that is appearing here now. What is the source voltage? It is a line voltage which is appearing across the load, which is VCB. So let me show here now. Some form I'm just trying to show. So VCB here now. उसके बाद, now from here you can tell me. VCB हो गया. T6, T1. Always you should show one from the positive group. Positive group पहले बताना चाहिए. So then the negative group one. T1, T1, T6. So who is this one? Conduction. What is this one? 1 is connected to here. 6 is this one. So what is the voltage here now? This is VCB. And now, what is this voltage? KVL डाल दिया तो क्या होगा? VAB excellent सा हो. So please try to look at here now. VAB. कहाँ तक? 90 तक. VAB, nice. CBAB हो गया. 92, 150. कौन सा वोल्टेज आएगा? 90 to 150. 90 to 150 कौन कंडक्शन है? 1 and 2. T1 and T2.
VCA.
फर्स्ट ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव ग्रुप में बताना चाहिए. 1 and 2, 90 to 150. 1 is connected to positive group. ये 2 कौन है? 2 कहाँ है? VAC. It has to always positive group. I told you positive group पहले बताना चाहिए. So this is VAC. Next 150 to 210. 1 and 2 हो गया. ठीक है. Now 150 to 10. Don't tell 2 and 3. Always positive first. T3, T2. Positive means positive group ऊपर वाला. T3 कौन सा में कनेक्शन है? T3 वाला B है. Then 2 is C, VBC. So you can remember the pattern very easily here now. This is VBC. Starting from 30, you can see the pattern because it starts from here. VAB, VAC. Then VBC here now. Okay, I'll take the next one also. 270. Okay, let me draw a different color so that you will understand the pulse, number of pulses. 210 to 270. 210 to 270. 3 and 4. 3 is B. 4 is A. VBA. Did you understand the pattern now at least? VBA. So every subscript 2, I mean, first letter is 2 times, second letter is 2 times. A, B, A, C. C आना चाहिए, second subscript. B, C हो गया. First subscript 2 times, B, B, A. Now what do you expect here now? 270, 330. 5 and 4. 5 is C. 4, A. I hope you understand this. 270 to this. 5 and 4. 5 C. 4A, BCA, and 330 to 390, last one. So what is this pulse? 5 and 6. What is the last one? VCB. Look at this sequence here. Very easy to remember also. Sequence is VAB, VAC, VBC, VBA, VCA, VCB. First one ignore karo. I'm just taking from 30 to 390, which is 360 total time period. You can see the 6 pulses. So now, as the triggering angle is given, what will happen is, if when you give the triggering angle, this will get delayed. RLE load है ना, अगर मान लो ये वाला delay कर दिया alpha 30, so T1 will delay by 30 degree. Okay, so T1 will delay by 30 degree, and उससे पहले T5 conduction में जाएगा, ठीक है? So T1 चालू होगा after 30, मतलब 30 plus 30, whatever the firing angle delay is there. Do you understand this point? Whatever the 6 pulses we have drawn, and the V0. So V0 waveform output voltage. I know the time period कितना है? What is the time period here now? Time period of this. What is the time period? How much time period is taking? 6 pulses are there in 360. What is the time period for this? V0. अरे ये waveform time period क्या है? 60 degree है ना? कौन सा? You know the definition of time period. कौन सा waveform repetition में जा रहे? ये वाला waveform. So time period is 60 degree here now. So, and I need to have the equation of this VAB. So let me write it here now. One by $60 degree, just for understanding, then I'll write it in terms of this, which is pi by 3, and integral of, and it has to trigger, this is alpha 0, this is alpha 0 for, you can show this, wherever the forward blocking aayega, that is alpha. This is alpha 0 for T1, okay, that's where it's triggering, right? T1. This is for alpha 0 for B is connected to, this is T3. ये बात मैंने बता दिया पहले ही, मतलब omega t 30 means alpha 0 for this voltage. So now what I am doing here, हमको VAB मिला यार, V0. लेकिन whatever I have drawn is, look at this. If you look at this, okay, so VAB लिखना चाहिए, लेकिन ये वाला ये phase है. ये phase हमने कैसे लिखा है? This is VA, which is equal to VMP sin omega t. VA equal to VMP sin omega t. Let me write it here now. So VB is VMP sin omega t minus 120, ठीक है. What is VAB here? What is VAB? A phase is VM sin omega t, and B is VB or VMP sin omega t minus 90. What is the waveform of VAB here now? Don't you think that VAB leads the VA by 30 degree? And magnitude, can I write here now? I'm just showing here now. VAB is equal to, okay, V line voltage VML sin omega t plus 30. Do you agree with me? क्योंकि ये वाला line voltage ऐसा है. Don't you know the difference between phase voltage and the line voltage? A is a phase voltage, then VAB is a line voltage, VML sin omega t plus theta. I know line voltage leads the phase voltage by 30 degree. By the way, what is this line voltage here now? I also know that line voltage, how much? Root 3 times. Root 3 times more. I know that. So which means that if you want to write in terms of the phase voltages, you can write it. But I want to write in terms of line voltages only. So this VML, there are two ways of writing. This is 1 by 60 VAB d omega t. So then you can write this one, kaha se? 30 to 90 plus alpha. 90 plus alpha 60 degree के लिए. So very important expression. So V naught, I'm writing here now 1 by, okay, 60 is pi by 3, integral of 30 is pi by 6 alpha, 90 is pi by 2 alpha, VAB, I'm writing here now, VML sine omega t plus 30 d omega t. Do you agree with me? There are two ways of, yeah, you can do this. Otherwise, what you can do instead of doing this, or either 30 है ना, either add करो, so that simplified, you can get a simplified expression. I mean, आसान होगा हमको calculation में. That's a mathematic trick. V naught is 1 by or 3 by pi integral of 30 इधर add करो यार. So 30 plus 30, 60 pi by 3 alpha. This is 90 plus 30, 120. 120 means 2 pi by 3 plus alpha VML sin omega t d omega t. That's all. Just get me the value of it. This is a very standard one, and this value is 3 VML by cos alpha. Very, very standard. You have to remember it. Three VML by cos alpha is the value. Since it is RLE load, always the current is continuous. मेरा assumption क्या है इधर? Current is continuous क्योंकि this is RL load. ठीक है? So current continuous होगा. So tell me now how much time per each SCR will conduct. Can you guess here now looking at this? T5, T6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So from 30 to 390, 360 period में, that is a 360 period 2 pi. Can you tell me how much period each SCR will conduct? कितना time period के लिए each SCR will conduct here? Each SCR means T1. How much period के लिए T1 में conduction है? T2 में, T3, T4. Look at this, please. How much period each SCR will conduct? Excellent, Sahu. 120. Each SCR will conduct 120. Total 360 में each SCR will conduct. So, मान लो, for example, T1 or whatever it may be, T3, you take the T3. T3 will conduct total 120, but T3 will share 60 degree with the T2 and 60 degree conduction with T4. Similarly, T2 देखो, negative group वाला. Total 120 है इसका, T2 का, but it shares 60 degree with the T1 and another 60 with the T3. इसलिए टोटल 120 डिग्री ईच इज हियर. सो मतलब इसमें जाने वाला करंट भी कंटिन्यूस ही होगा. मैंने बता दिया कांस्टेंट करंट है. So now I can have here now average current and RMS currents now. That is the important point here now. What is the average current of each thyristor? I would say here now. I know what is the total current, average current of each thyristor. So have you copied complete one? I'm just going to erase and conclusions I'm putting on. So this is alpha 0. What will happen? Alpha, for example, alpha 20 हुआ तो कैसे conduction में जाएगा? Let us see here. So I'm just showing here now alpha 20 हुआ तो क्या होगा? This is alpha 0. 20 means T1 delay होगा. तो T5 पीछे है ना, पीछे वाला T5 conduction में जाना चाहिए. T6 भी आगे जाना चाहिए. मतलब it has to delay everything. Everything it has to be delay by 2020. For example, let me show here now to understand that. Shall I erase this portion? This is what I was saying. For example, alpha 20. So alpha 20 means T1 कहाँ चालू होगा? Where the T1 will get start? Alpha 20 means T1 alpha 0 पे T1 30 पे चालू होना चाहिए. अभी कहाँ चालू होगा? Where is that it will get start? 30 plus 20, 50. So your T1 will start here now. This is what alpha 30 plus alpha. Always it starts T1. That is here I mentioned 50. Then it has to connect 120. 50 plus 120. It has to go as usual. 170. 170 plus, yes, as usual. 120, 290 as usual. T3, T5 and 410. इससे पहले कौन सा कंडक्शन है? T5 50 तक कंडक्शन में जाना चाहिए. Similarly here now alpha 20 means 90, इधर 90 नहीं 110 पे चालू होगा, नीचे वाला भी मूव हो जाएगा. So this is here now 110. Previous T6 should conduct. T6 is it able to conduct 120, 0 to 120 or 110? Yes, 110 conduction में जाएगा. अगर मान लो alpha 60 दे लिया, alpha 60 लिया तो ये नहीं है, ये नहीं, इससे पहले वाला भी conduct करना है, क्योंकि alpha 60 means 150 डिग्री T6 conduction में नहीं जा सकते. T6 maximum 120 तक है, so उससे पहले वाला भी मतलब T4 भी चालू होना चाहिए. Anyway, this is 110. I hope you understand this point. 90 plus 20. So then T2 will get start here now. T2. Then T4. This is T4 and move on, so on. I hope you understand that point. Corresponding voltages will draw here. ये समझ में आ गया? Now the semi converter I want to draw. तो क्या करना अभी? Okay, let me give the conclusions here. Conclusions are each thyristor conducts for 120. आपने बताया. So average value of thyristor current. I need these pictures, so I'm just keeping that like that. each thyristor current IT0 total I0 है कितना टाइम पीरियड के लिए ये वाला कंडक्शन में we have seen already AB AC AB so 1 2 3 4 5 6 660 are 360 360 में ये कहाँ आया ये मतलब पहला आना चाहिए ये फर्स्ट सब्सक्रिप्ट 1 2 तो 120 ये फर्स्ट सब्सक्रिप्ट है मतलब पॉजिटिव है सो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में जाएगा VAB VAC so each thyristor is 120 otherwise you can see here also 120 120 120 so each thyristor is 120 360 में so I0 by 3 RMS value कितना है yes we can see here now I0 by root 1 by 3 source current here ये वाला important है source current मतलब IA or IB IC this is how it is IA इधर ये वाला current है source current so source current is it only 120 or something more मतलब ये phase देखो ये how many times it's appearing here now AB AC BA CA ये 120 के लिए पॉजिटिव है another 120 के लिए नेगेटिव है टोटल 240 कंडक्शन में जा रहे हैं अल्टरनेटिंग करंट है so that way source current RMS value source current RMS value IS which is I0 upon how much period this is 240 by 360 that's all okay that is how we can define these things we'll see the semi converter one semi converter में क्या हो रहा है erase कर दूं I'll see here now I want this three phase again I don't want to draw again so let me keep that so this is also not needed erase this portion I want only three phase phase. Three-phase semi-converter. Single phase semi-converter हमने देखा है. So similarly here also three-phase semi-converter मतलब diode and SCR combination में. Diode and SCR combination में मतलब let us see here. Three sets of or three diodes, three SCRs. मान लो ये वाला SCR है. This is diode. Load is same RLE load. RLE load. Okay, current continuous मतलब एक freewheeling diode भी रखो. No issues. Let me see the FD also. This is FD. I'll tell you the reason why FD is kept. Say this is 1, 2, 3, and this one is D1, D2, D3. Three diodes, three SCRs. Supply three-phase supply. A, B, C. Three-phase supply. I have drawn this one. Only difference here is 1, 2, 3. ये three switches को हमारे पास control नहीं है. इसका मतलब इन तीनों में कौन सा मैक्सिमम आएगा वो वाला कंडक्शन में जाएगा. We can't control. मतलब इससे पहले हमने देखा है. For example here, this C phase is connected to, look at here, no, C phase negative one. C phase negative is connected to D3. So इसको चालू करने के लिए 90 पे तुरंत चालू हो जाएगा. I can't delay by some 30 degree. You understand this point? I can't delay it by 30 degree, another 30 degree, 40 degree alpha. I can't use that because it's a diode. That's it. So the difference is here now, negative group switches cannot be controlled. Please mention that point. Difference क्या है? This इसका conduction so negative group diodes cannot be controlled. So that is the only difference, meaning always the output voltage for negative group will be like this only. It cannot be moved right side. Right side को move नहीं कर सकते. मतलब there is no always for negative group alpha equal to 0 only. That's what it means. Always a corresponding diode will conduct. What I am trying to say here now, let me show in a picture here this way. So if I draw a positive group and negative group here now, like what I had drawn previously. Okay, you see this one up to what period thyristors will conduct. Please understand. ये वाला 30 degree है ना, so I'm just showing that nothing is that I'm rewriting. 30, इधर 150, then 270, ये वाला, then 270 plus 120 here now, 390. Good. कौन conduction हो जाए? Numbers मैंने change किया, तो C phase, C, otherwise you can keep same only, no issues. C phase 1, who is the one C phase में? C phase में कौन सा वाला है? That is T3, positive group. Then 30 to 150 A phase में कौन है? T1 है, 150 270 B phase में positive group है, T2 है and T3 है. So here देखो ये वाला 90 तक का है. So this is 210, ये वाला 300 है. Okay. Then another 120, maybe 420. कौन सा वाला conduction में है 90 तक? कौन सा? This one. B is connected to negative group में. B phase में negative group is D2, 90 to 210. C phase. C phase में negative group D3, 210 to 300. B phase. So this is A phase, D1, D2, D3, D1, of course, again D2 and so on and so. Fine. Is it clear what I have drawn? Same thing. Replace कर दिया. For example, what I am doing here this way. ये वाला 90 है ना? Alpha 60 कर दिया तो what will happen? If alpha 60 is used, will the down ones will move? Let me draw. I don't have control on the diode. Diode, what I am saying is negative group is fixed. Positive group we can move right side, लेकिन negative group fixed है. So we can mention that point. Negative group diodes cannot be controlled. Negative group diodes cannot be fixed. So when alpha 60, please see this one, very important one. Previously, all switches have moved to right side, which I have shown. But this time, only the positive group will move. Meaning 30 plus 60, alpha 60 means where will it start? This is the portion. This is alpha 60. And then T2 also will move. Okay. 90, 210 तक जाएगा. So 300 and 440. You understand this? T1 is previously at 30 degree. It is starting. Now, where it is starting here now, it is starting at 30 plus 60. This is starting at 90, which is 30 plus 60. समझ में आ गया ये वाला? इससे पहले कौन सा वाला कंडक्शन में जाना चाहिए? Who is this guy? T3. T3 90 degree. Okay, no issues. T1 here and T2 move हो गया, right side को move हो गया, and T3 here now 300 to 420 same. 60 alpha 60 ले इसलिए 210 300 420. What about the diodes? Diode में कुछ फर्क आएगा क्या? Diode is immediately it will turn on, so there is no problem with diode. Immediately it will turn on, so it won't move right side. It won't move right side. Look at the problem here. इधर देखो, this is alpha 0 position है. This is alpha 60 position. So okay, diodes are D2, D3, D1, D2. Tell me the voltages in alpha 0 में. Alpha 0 में what are the voltages will come? Please tell me one by one. T3, D2. T3, D2 means T3 कहाँ है? C, D2 here now, VCB, same sequence previously. Next, T1, D2. One is connected to here, so B, AB. Now, T1, D3. T1, D3. VAC. Next, T2, D3. T2, BBC. Next, T2, D1. T2, D1, VBA. ABAC, BCBA, okay, CACB. How many pulses we obtain? So alpha to 60 degree, alpha less than 60, not 60 here now. Alpha less than 60 vato, any value alpha less than 60, we get the 6 pulses. AB, AC, BC, BA, CA, CB. These are the 6 pulses we are getting. So this is a 6 pulse converter it acts. But alpha greater than 60. Alpha greater than or equal to 60. How many pulses here? Let us please tell me for this one. Alpha 60 के लिए कौन सा वाला conduction में जा रही है? T3 D2. T3 D2 means what is that? T3 D2 VCB. Then this combination missed. T3 D2 हो गया. There is no T1 D2 combination. T1 D2 गायब हो गया इधर, क्योंकि ये मूव नहीं हुआ. राइट साइड में मूवमेंट नहीं है. राइट साइड में ये वाला मूवमेंट नहीं है क्योंकि कंट्रोल्ड नहीं है. सो ये वाला 90 पे तुरंत चालू होगा, ये वाला 210 पे तुरंत चालू होगा. आई कांट कंट्रोल इट. लेकिन थायरिस्टर्स को अपने कंट्रोल कर सकते, ये राइट साइड के मूव हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए क्या हो रहा है, T3 D2, ये वाला T3 है, D2 इधर है, सो C and B VCB है. Then T1 D3. T1 is A phase. D3 is here now, so VAC, VCB, VAC. Next T2 T1. T2 इधर है, A, D1 इधर है. T2 this is B and D1 VBA. T2 D1, then T3 D2 again repeats. So within 360 period, you can see here now how many pulses. We have only 3 pulses. समझ गए? So means the semi-converter is acting as a both 3 pulse converter and 6 pulse converter. It acts both 3 pulse and 6 pulse converter. Alpha less than 60, please write or mention that point. Alpha less than 60, alpha less than 60, 3-phase semi-converter acts as a 6 pulse converter. Alpha greater than or equal to 60. Alpha greater than or equal to 60 acts as a 3 pulse converter. Okay. Yeah, its output voltage is, yeah, you can just remember this. Yeah, you can solve it also by looking at this. And for all alphas, even 6 or 3, whatever it may be, V naught value will be 3 VML by 2 pi 1 plus cos alpha. Average voltage will be same for all alphas. You can just copy that, please. And the source current and no load current average value, RMS value, that is same what we have seen. So this is about the full converter and semi converter. Let us solve some problems here so that you'll understand something what we have done. And before that, let me write the performance metrics. Source current है ना, whatever the source current we obtain 3-phase converter में उसका waveform लिखना चाहिए. Let me write that. Fourier series. Shall I delete this? Clear the screen. Okay, fine then. Okay, cool. So, source current Fourier series for 3-phase full converter. मैंने बता दिया source current will conduct for 120 positive, 120 negative. So we'll be having, so if you remember, IS will be something like this. First 120. Okay, say this is maybe starts from 30, 120, 150. बीच में gap है. Then this is how the period. Source current. So if you want exact the numbers, tell me the previous values what we are obtaining here now. Can you tell me the first one? VCB, VAB, VAC, VBC, okay, VBA, VCBA, and VCA, VCB, ABAC, VCBA, CACB. Okay, so it started from 30. You can see this is 60 degree, ABAC positive, 60, 60, 120. बीच में क्या है, BC आ गया, so कितना है, gap 60 है, so 1 plus 60, this is 210, 60 gap है, no current, no A phase here. Next BACA, BACA मतलब 60, 60, 120, so that is 330. Again there is a gap which becomes here now gap of 60 here, so which is 390, and again it starts 390 means this is 30 degree. This is how the source current waveform current continues. इसका Fourier series क्या है? What is the Fourier series here now? Fourier series for this is, I'm writing directly here, sigma n equal to 135. ये याद रखना चाहिए. There are questions, but easy to remember also. 4I0 by n pi sine n pi by 3 and sine n omega t minus n alpha. So if you have RMS value of fundamental current, fundamental means what is R, IS1, instantaneous IS1 I am writing, fundamental harmonic or first harmonic, 4I0 by pi sine pi by 3 sine omega t minus alpha. Capital IS1, this is RMS of fundamental or first harmonic current. We have already seen Im by root 2, 4I0 by sine pi by 3. This is a maximum value. 1 by root 2, Vm by root 2 is the RMS value. What is the source current here? By the way, what is the source current RMS value? Is, total RMS value. Total source current. So ये वाला waveform है. Can't you find the RMS value of this? 32,360 में 32,390 में मान लो 32,390 360 डिग्री में कंडक्शन कितना है? 120 इधर है, 120 इधर. हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर दिया इसको. If you remember that 240 total conduction है, I0 into 2 by 3. So out of 360 degree, it is conducting 240. So 2/3. You remember that we have defined the DF, displacement factor, current distortion factor. So CDF, which is IS1 by IS, so this is 3 by pi. If you just substitute these things, just substitute these things, 3 by pi you'll be getting this is point. Can you look at this one? What is this? 0.995 are you getting? 3 by pi. And DF, we know DF is cos of alpha, which is cos alpha. Power factor is CDF and DF 0.995 cos alpha. 3-phase. The important thing is THD, total harmonic distortion. You remember that definition which I have given? Under root of 1 by CDF square minus 1. CDF, we already know this. If you substitute this, this is 0.3108. That is 31% of THD. Harmonic content is 31%. This is important, in fact. Let us see one or two problems so that you'll understand the things, how the gate questions are asked. Please copy this. So I'm just getting some questions. Please be on hold. One question. A great question. I told you this, I have given this also. Diode bridge rectifier means your bridge rectifier है 3-phase वाला, where alpha equal to 0. Diode means alpha 0 वाला. Output voltage, output current is 100 amps, which is I naught is given, and input supply is given. RMS value current in each diode, मतलब each switch में कितना जाएगा? I just now given. What is that value? How much time period के लिए वाला conduction में जाएगा? Each SCR or each diode. Out of time period 360, how much time period it will go? And what is its RMS value? How much period? Each SCR will conduct, each diode will conduct. Just now I told you, right? Tell me how much period it will go? How much time period ये वाला conduction में जाएगा? Each diode, 6 diodes है. Each diode कितना conduction में जाएगा? एक diode. $120 degree है ना? ये वाला 120 degree है ना? तो IT1 or ID1 RMS value. So this is I naught into मैंने बता दिया 120 by 360. I just now told you. So 1 by 3 here now. So 100 into 1 by root 3 is your answer. Next question. Yeah, that's correct. Anjala, that's correct. Current is around 57 amps. That's correct. Yeah. 3 फेज के लिए इनपुट पावर फैक्टर हमने देखा CDF and DF. CDF is IS1 by, if you remember, IS1 by IS, and DF, ये वैल्यू हमने 0.995 into DF is cos minus alpha cos alpha. So 0.99F and alpha is cos 30. So you have to be careful. That's what I told you. Few things you have to remember, especially the harmonic analysis, CDF, DF for single phase and 3 phase. You have to remember. Yeah, 0.861. So by the way, what is 3 by pi? Can you please tell me what is the 3 by pi value? 3 upon pi. What is that value? Is it 0.995 or point? How much you are getting? So because IS1 by IS is 3 by pi. Oh, is it 0.95? Then it is 0.95. 3 by 3.14. Actually, we know this IS1 by IS is 3 by pi. You know that. That's what we need to write. This is actually 3 by pi, na? So many such as, so that's 0.995. So this is actually 3 by pi. How much you are getting? 0.3 by pi ka value. It is 0.95, you have to take 0.95. 3 by pi is 0.95. So yeah, what is that value? How much is that? Tell me now. Yeah, Anjali, if it is 0.95, 0.95 into cos 30. How much is that? It's around 0.7 or so.
Sir, 0.95 into cos 30 equal to 0.822.
Yeah, that's what. Just tell me that. 0.822.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. That's what it means to, because it's 3 by pi right here. Find that, not much difference. Another question. कन्वर्टर का इनपुट वोल्टेज दिया है, इनपुट करंट भी दिया है, मतलब हार्मोनिक करंट दिया है, कंप्लीट वन, फंडामेंटल, थर्ड हार्मोनिक और फिफ्थ हार्मोनिक, whatever it may be, it is given. What is the task is input power factor of the converter. First question, there are two questions here now. Input power factor. How do you define input power factor? PF is CDF and DF. CDF is IS1 by IS and DF is cos alpha or cos phi power factor. There is no alpha, so can consider as a alpha is phi, fundamental angle. So IS1 by IS. IS1 RMS value, मतलब fundamental quantity RMS value. तो fundamental है, first harmonic. IM sin omega t minus something is there. So this is IM by root 2. This is 10. Total RMS value. Total quantity है ना, networks में हमने सीख लिया होगा. Individual RMS value, individual squares. मतलब IM by root 2, IM by root 2 square, IM by root 2 square, IM by root 2 square, under root. So this is so this becomes 10 square, 5 square, and 2 square. Just get that value. What is that you are getting? And then substitute cos phi. Cos phi is angle between voltage and fundamental component का angle. इन दोनों का angle. Not to the third, not to the fifth. Angle कितना है? Voltage and the fundamental current 60 है. So that's what you have to take it here. So this I think how much you are getting this one? 10, 5, around 11 or 12. This is less, right? 25, 4. 11.35, good answer. So the power factor becomes here IS1 by 10 by IS is 11.35. Cos of phi, angle between these two is pi by 3, 60 degree. That's all. Always the power factors are lagging only, no doubt. On the source side. Good, this is 0.44 lag, perfect answer, good. There is second question also connected question to it. This is first one, input power factor. Second question is active power drawn by the converter. 2 plus 2, 4 marks question है वाला. Active power drawn by converter. Active power is VI cos theta बट लेकिन इधर बहुत सारा वोल्टेज तो एक ही है, ओके, करंट्स तो बहुत सारा करंट्स है, सो कौन सा वाला लेना चाहिए? यू नो दैट ऑलवेज VS IS1 fundamental only, cos phi 1 means all are RMS quantities. 100 by root 2 upon this Vm by root 2, this is VS. IS1 is fundamental component RMS value, 10 root 2 by root 2, and angle between this is cos of pi by 3, cos 60. Get me this way, this is 100, it seems 10,000 cos 61 by 2, so this is 500. That's all. Such kind of question there. I think you got the feel how the gate questions will be. Need not by heart the waveforms and drawing all those things, this and that. Only the conceptual things. Gate में मिल आपको मिल जाएगा. Only concepts. Learn the concepts clearly. No need to by heart the waveforms. नीचे आ रहे, ऊपर जा रहे, कहाँ से चालू होगा, क्या चालू होगा. Right. What is that 999 answer?
Sir, P.
P 500 है ना, तो अगर 100 by root 2, 100 into 10, 1000 into cos 60.
Yes, sir.
Cos 60 is 1 by 2 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So 1000 by 2, 500 only, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 999? Just check that one, please. So P is 500 watts, this one. So VI cos theta, so here need not, I think you root 2 just cancel it. I mean, you are doing 100 into root 2 by root 2. So ऐसा मत करना, root 2 cancel करो. So calculation simple होगा. That's correct, sir. Yeah. So 500 watts. Yes, Anchal, good. Okay then. Then if you have any doubts, you can check with me. Otherwise, we'll stop here. Tomorrow we have one topic in converter, that is with source impedance. Simple one, AC to DC will be done by tomorrow. Then we can start the next topic. Tomorrow itself we will start the next topic. So I mean, most of the syllabus is done for electronics. Major Evala. So we are remain with choppers and inverter. That won't take much time. So anyway, let us see. So machines कब चालू किया हमने? 5th को चालू किया ना? Machines 5th को चालू किया. I think both will be finished, I think, by another week or so. Yeah, by 25th or 26th. Let us see. Okay, 26th. का फेस्टिवल का दिन भी क्लास ले सकते हैं ना, दिक्कत नहीं है ना आपको? 25th. Okay, sir. Yeah, no issues. Yeah, you need to learn quickly and you need to have some practice. इसके बाद पहले तो सिलेबस कंप्लीट करना है. और बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स भी पैरेलल में चल रहे हैं क्या आपको? कौन सा सब्जेक्ट चल रहा है?
Sir, machine or power electronics only.
Only, I mean, no other subject.
No, sir.
अच्छा, तो लेकिन क्या आपको टाइम बहुत कम है ना, फिर बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स कब होगा? तो फरवरी में एग्जाम, आप 3rd ईयर है क्या आप लोग?
Sir, 4th year.
4th ईयर, तो आपको बहुत कम टाइम है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके. Yeah, I teach networks also actually. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कलकत्ता को पैरेलली चल रहे नेटवर्क्स भी चल रहे अभी. ठीक है फिर. Okay then. Thank you guys then. If you don't have anything, thank you very much. आंचल कुछ डाउट है क्या? You raised hand.
नो सर, वो गलती से हो गया था.
Okay, no issues. Okay then.
थैंक यू सर.
Okay. Bye guys. Yeah, thank you Sabu. Yeah, thank you and Bhaskar and others.